Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. In this video, we are going to discuss the topic of zero FIR. Zero FIR, no doubt, it was there already in the AP Police Manual in order number 500 and 470, which deals with the registration of the FIR. But it has got prominence after the Disha encounter and many other cases. So please remember, zero FIR means the FIR which is registered in any police station irrespective of its jurisdiction. Normally, an SHO or officer in charge as per Cr.P.C is expected to register a case which is cognizable in nature and which may be given orally or in writing by the complainant, which occurs within his jurisdiction. It is not specified actually. In the previous 154 Cr.P.C, it is not specifically mentioned about the so-called zero FIR, but the laws have changed. New bills have been introduced. Cr.P.C, the new Cr.P.C, you may be knowing, it's called as Bharathiya NAGARIK Suraksha Samhita. Bharathiya NAGARIK Suraksha Samhita. So short time you may call it as BNSS Act 2023. Of course, in this CRPC, new CRPC, instead of or in place of the 484 sections which were there previously, now 536 sections, 533 sections have emerged. So there are more number of sections nowadays, right? So previous 154 is equal to present 173. In this case section, normally the same thing is repeated as 154. 154 says that if any offence of cognizable nature is reported to the police station either orally or in writing by any person aggrieved or any person interested, yes, the officer in charge is expected to register the complaint as a FIR. Right? Here in 173, in the new that is Bharathiya NAGARIK Suraksha Samhita, it is clearly written that the FIR should be registered irrespective of the jurisdiction. FIR should be registered irrespective of the jurisdiction. They will number it as 0 and send it to the concerned police station, and they will re-register it and they will assign their number. Because FIR index is a record maintained in the police station to give the serial numbers for the cases registered in the police station. So normally what they do is 0x, then the police station concerned police 173 by 2023 transferred to COMPULSORILY. Likewise, they will send it. That's why it's called zero FIR. So this is mentioned previously in the AP Police Manual also. Even while we were working as police officers, yes, it was there, but of course practically it was not there. To tell you a practical example, I think when I worked as SI Tangutur, maybe in the year 1979 or so, Mr. T. Krishna, late T. Krishna, who was a famous director, he asked me regarding the disputes of jurisdiction and asked me to give a classic example. At that time, of course, there was one constable, he already died, I don't want to tell his name. Actually, 2 or 3 days before, an accident took place in between Tangutur and Ongole Taluk limits. That is near between Pellur and Vollo. People are in Ongole, you may be conversant with it. So actually that head constable moved the dead body towards Tangutur police station limits. And when the complainant came to Taluk police station, he asked him to go to Tangutur police station report. Likewise, they will make the complainant, the gullible public, to move from pillar to post or from post to police station to police station. And this was same reflected in his film, maybe Native Bharathiya or somebody, I don't remember the name of the film also. Native Bharathiya, I think, if I am correct. Right. So likewise, jurisdiction problems are there. So therefore, now it is the new act clearly says that FIR should be registered irrespective of the jurisdiction. This is what is called zero FIR. And since you are law students, you have to cite a couple of case laws. So, a very famous case law is State of AP versus Punati Raman and others, 1993. State of AP versus Punati Raman and others, 1993. Here, the police constable refused to register the FIR and asked them to go to the concerned police station. They moved to the High Court. Ultimately, High Court, 1993, they said they have to register the so-called FIR and transfer it to the concerned police station. Now we are naming it as zero FIR. Likewise, then Saki, another case is also been Cr.P.C versus State, 2019, where the Honorable Delhi High Court directed the Commissioner of Police Delhi to issue to circulate orders to the lower staff to register the cases and transfer them to the concerned. That is what is called zero FIR. Yes, definitely. In order to, you know that you can send the FIR even online also. Online FIR. Yes, Article 500, that is order number 500 clearly says, yes, you can send the FIR online also. There are some portals also. So basically this is regarding zero FIR. I hope you might have understood what is zero FIR. Definitely it will be useful not only to the advocates, even to the common man and also the police officers. With this, I am concluding. Thank you.